Hello students, in this video, let us solve few more problems related to maturity value. Welcome to our channel E-kalike. Katrina opened a recurring deposit account with a nationalized bank for a period of 2 years. The bank pays interest at the rate of 6% per annum and the monthly installment is ₹1,000. Find the interest earned in 2 years and maturity value. Let's write the data given. So, installment per month is ₹1,000. Number of months, that is small n, is 24 months. Rate of interest is 6%. So, first we need to calculate the interest earned in 2 years. So, let us write the formula for I. So, we have learnt I is equal to P into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. Let us substitute the values. So I get 1000, P value is 1000 into 24. 24 plus 1 is 25 divided by 2 into 12 into 6 by 100. See, it's 2 ones are, 2 12s are. Again 12 and 12 get cancelled. 2 zeros get cancelled with the 2 zeros. So on the substitution, I'll be getting ₹1,500 as the interest. So Katrina gets ₹5,500 as interest. Second we need to calculate is the maturity value. So we know MV is equal to P into N plus I. P we know it's 1000, N we know it's 24, I we have already calculated, it is ₹1,500. So we get 24,000 from this plus ₹1,500 from here. So altogether the maturity value becomes 25,500. So please don't forget to put the symbol 25,500. Therefore the interest is ₹1,500 and the maturity value is 25,000. Second problem is the maturity value of the RD account is 16,176. If the monthly installment is ₹400 and rate of interest is 8%, find the time period for this account. So let's check the data. Installment per month is ₹400. Maturity value is 16,176 rupees. Now choose N, that is for indicative number of months. The rate of interest is 8%. Since I need to find the time period, so N value I have written as N. Okay. So let's write the interest first. Let's calculate the interest. We know I is equal to P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. So let's substitute all the values. So P, I know it's 400. N I'm keeping as N itself. So N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R value 8 by 100. See, 2 zeros from the 100 get cancelled with 2 zeros with the 400. It's 2 ones are, I get 2 twos are, 2 ones are, I get 2 6 are. Again, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are. See 4, it get reduces to 4 into N plus 1 divided by 3. let's write the MV value. We know MV formula. That is MV is equal to P into N plus I. So MV also we know it is 16,176, which is equal to P, it's 400 into N is 400 and N plus I get 4N into N plus 1 by 3. Let's take the LCM. So we get 1200 N plus, I'll multiply the terms now, 4N square plus 4N divided by 3, which will be equal to the maturity value 16,176. And multiply 3 towards this side. So 3 into 16,176 is equal to 48,528 rupees. Multiplying 3 to 16,176, I get 48,528. See, these two are the like terms. I can add together. So it gets 1,204 N plus 4 N square. So I can divide the whole equation by 4. Then the equation becomes 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, which is equal to 301 N plus N square. And write this in a quadratic form. I get N square plus 301 N minus 12132, which is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation I have got on the simplification. Now let's go for the factorization method and let's find the factors. So I get the factors as 337 into 36. So I'll write N square plus 337N minus 36N minus 12132, which is equal to 0. Now let's group the terms. In the first group, N is common, so what remains in the bracket? 337 now. And the second group, 36 is common, again in the bracket, N plus 337 is common. So now in both the terms, N plus 337 is common. I make it as a one group, and next group is N minus 36, which is equal to 0. Now let's substitute for the N. So N will be equal to 36, or it will be equal to minus 337. Since we are calculating the period, means the time, it cannot be negative. Therefore, minus 337 cannot be included. Therefore, N value will be 36. So, N value will be 36 months, or I can tell it is 3 years. So, 36 months is nothing but 3 years. So, N value will be 3 years or 36 months. The third problem is, Mr. Gupta opened a RD account in a bank. He deposited Rs 2,500 per month for 2 years. At the time of maturity, he got 67,500 rupees. Find the total interest earned by Mr. Gupta. Second is the rate of interest per annum. Let's write all the data given. So maturity value MB is 67,500. Money deposit, that is P, is 2,500 per month. Then the number of months is 24. For 2 years, number of months is 24. The rate of interest I have chosen, let it be R. So first thing, I need to calculate the interest. First sub question, I need to calculate the interest. So let me write the formula MB, which is equal to P into N plus I. I need to calculate I here. So MB I know it is 67,500 rupees, which is equal to P, I know it is 2,500 into 24 plus. So 67,500 rupees. If I multiply 2,500 into 24, I get 60,000 plus I. Now, what is I? I is nothing but 67,500 minus 60,000, that is nothing but 7,500. So 7,500 rupees is the interest that is being given to Mr. Gupta. Second part I need to calculate, that is rate of interest. To calculate the rate of interest, I choose the formula I. I is equal to P into N into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. Let's substitute all the values. Even I know N, even I know I value. I've calculated previously. 7,500 is equal to 2,500 into 24. So 24 plus 1 is 25 divided by 2 into 12 into R value. I don't know, I have taken R itself by 100. See, 2 zeros get cancelled with the 2 zeros. It's 2 ones are, it's 2 12s are. 12 and 12 get cancelled. So I get 7,500 is equal to 25 into 25. It's 625. So you have R there, R. So what will be R now? 7,500 divided by 625. On substituting this, I get 12%. Therefore, the rate of interest is 12%.